Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southern Grant County, Owen County, until 7:30 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1 to 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Williamstown, Dry Ridge, Owenton, Corinth, Monterey, Grants, and Harmony. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. To report flash flooding, go to our